Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Are you tired of missing out on good trade setups? Ever wondered how to identify strong entry and exit points with more precision? Well, in this video, I've got something that can level up your trading game, and that is the Bollinger Band RSI Indicator. It's a custom indicator, so you would have to download it from an external site and add it to your indicators library, before you'll be able to use it on your chart. Okay, so I just added the indicator right now. Let me just increase the thickness of the lines. Okay, let me increase the thickness of the line so there's going to be more visible. All right. Okay, so this powerful tool combines two of the most popular technical indicators. All right. The Bollinger Bands and the Relative Strength Index, or the RSI for short. So as a result of that, it gives you a clearer picture of market momentum, trend strength, and volatility. Stick around because I'll break it all down in a simple, easy to follow way. Okay, now the Bollinger Band RSI indicator is exactly what it sounds like. It's a combination of Bollinger Bands and the RSI. But why does this matter? Let us just break it down, okay? The Bollinger Bands measure market volatility and help traders understand when the price is stretching too far from its average. Meanwhile, the Relative Strength Index, or the RSI, helps identify overbought and oversold conditions, which is key for spotting potential reversals. So when you put these two indicators together, you get a powerful tool that not only tells you if the price is overextended, but also whether it is losing momentum, which is crucial for making smarter trading decisions. So how do we actually use this indicator to find high probability trade setups? Well, let us start with sell signals. Okay, when the RSI crosses above the upper Bollinger Band, like this example, it signals overbought condition. You can see what happened around here, right? It signals overbought condition around that same period. When we had this signal from the Bollinger Band RSI indicator, we can see that around that same time we had the the price forming a high, right? We can see that the price formed a high, and shortly afterwards we had a reversal, right? We had a reversal, to the downside shortly after that, right? You can see we had a reversal to the downside. So this was a sell signal given by the Bollinger Band RSI indicator. Okay, it means that that price may be due for a pullback or a reversal, and that is exactly what happened. So it was a good sell opportunity. Then for a buy signal, on the flip side, when the RSI drops below the Bollinger Band, the lower Bollinger Band, it indicates oversold conditions, a potential sign that the price might bounce back. So this could be a buy opportunity. Okay, we can see what happened here. You can see that this was an example around the time that the RSI dropped below the uh below the Bollinger Band. You can see that around that same period, the price formed a low, right? The price formed a low, and then shortly afterwards you can see that we had a notable pullback to the upside, right? We had a notable pullback to the upside. Then we also have a scenario where the RSI remains inside the bands, okay, when there is no immediate signal, we call that a no trade zone. So if the RSI remains inside the bands, there is no immediate signal. It just means that the price is moving within a stable momentum range without clear overbought or oversold conditions. This simple but effective strategy helps traders avoid unnecessary trades and focus on high probability setups. All right, you can see that this was a ranging market, and you can see identified by the RSI just remaining, you know, inside the band with no immediate signals. But that's not all. The Bollinger Band RSI indicator also gives us a clear view of market volatility. When you notice narrow bands, it means low volatility. When the bands tighten or squeeze together, it means price volatility is low, as in these examples that we can see here. It means that the market is consolidating. Right, this often signals a potential breakout is coming. Then when we have wide bands, like you can see what happened here, it means high volatility. When the bands expand, it indicates high volatility, meaning strong price movements are happening. Okay, this is usually seen during big market trends, or when we have a significant move. Right, you can see what happened here. This is another example. Okay, so by watching these band movements alongside RSI, traders can anticipate potential breakouts and adjust their strategies accordingly. Now that you understand how it works, here are a few ways to use the Bollinger Bands RSI indicator in your trading. First of all, you can combine it with other indicators. For example, you can decide to pair your Bollinger Bands RSI indicator with moving averages, for example. Okay, and then also watch out for candlestick patterns, bullish patterns, bearish patterns, to add to your confirmation before entering your trades. Okay, and then you can also use this indicator in trending markets and also in ranging markets. You can see we give examples. This was an example of a trending market, right? You can see that we got a buy signal around here, and then you can see that in this other example we got a sell signal, right? Then this was an example of a ranging market. In this case, you can just be watching out for the RSI bouncing from the upper band to the lower band, back to the upper band, and back to the lower band. So when the RSI is around the lower band, you're looking for buy signals. When it's at the upper band, you're looking for sell signals, and here again, and so on, right? So this indicator is great for both trend following and range trading strategies, giving you more versatility in your approach. Now you can also adjust the RSI settings, right? You can adjust the settings according to your taste, according to your trading style. Okay, you can see that the default RSI period is 14, but you can actually tweak it to better fit your trading style and time frame. Even the band period being 20, you can actually set it if your strategy demands that. All right, so there you have it. The Bollinger Band RSI indicator explained in a way that you can actually use it. If this video helped you, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe so you never miss out on more trading strategies, tips, and tutorials. Also, drop a comment below and let me know, have you used the Bollinger Bands RSI indicator before? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.